Hello, my name is Tzin. I'm a scientist here at the Desert Institute. My lab study plant protection, how plants and insects interact. Approximately 20% of the crops are lost due to insect damage. This is a huge amount of food that we are not using to feed humanity. So today farmers are using chemicals, mainly strong chemicals, to help the plants to be more resistant. However, these chemicals are not sustainable to the environment, and also insects have a short life cycle, meaning they can evolve or develop resistant mechanism quite fast. So what scientists are doing today is to really study the natural defense mechanism, what the chemicals and the responses that plants are using to be stronger. So in our lab, we studied different crops like tomato, wheat, and others, and we studied the chemistry. What is the special chemistry that plants are using to be more resistant? One of these mechanisms is smell. Apparently plants, when they got attacked by insect or by herbivores, they change their chemistry, they emitted smell to the atmosphere. And the purpose of this smell is to attract natural enemies. These natural enemies are predator or parasitoids that feed on the prey, meaning the enemy of my enemy is my friend. Here, for example, you can see how we can tell which plant is more attractive to the natural enemy. We're introducing two plants, one from the left and from the right, and we're just collecting the smell through this tube. So it's running to the tubes, and then we put a natural enemy in this Y tube. It's a Y-shaped tube, and we let it choose whether to go left or right. And this decision is only based on the smell. So what we are doing, we are growing different plants under different conditions, different genetics, and using mutants to really identify the specific smell. What else we are doing with this knowledge is to develop a biosensor. This is a collaborative project with me and another lab at the Desert Institute. And this chip, this biosensor, will be a small device that farmers can be used in their field or in the greenhouse to really monitor the time of infestation. And why it is important? Because the time for monitoring, the time that the process starts, is critical for farmers to know when to take an action, whether to wait or to apply chemicals or to introduce biocontrol. So eventually it can save money, it can give us more food, and it can be economic for the farmers and for the population.